Hi, I'm Ben Ferris with AKVM Roofing. Your home is probably the largest investment in your life, and it's important that you take the right steps to protect that investment. Let's talk about roof leaks and how to recognize them and what you should do to avoid major damage. As a homeowner, it's critical that you learn to recognize the first signs of a leak. But we don't recommend trying to fix it yourself. There are several reasons for this. Trying to fix it yourself can be dangerous, and it's possible you could cause more damage to the roof. Keep in mind that any attempt by the homeowners to repair the roof would probably void your shingle warranty. It's extremely important that you call us at the first sign of a leak before more damage can occur. Call AKVM right away if you see stains or yellow marks on your ceiling, bulging or peeling drywall, wet areas or water dripping, or broken or missing shingles. AKVM Roofing will come to your home and give you a professional leak inspection at no charge. We inspect all kinds of roofs, including shingle, flat, metal, and tile. I'm Ben Ferris of AKVM Roofing. I look forward to helping you diagnose and repair your roof leak.